Allah said this in Surah Maryam. Each one of them will come to Allah, atihi. It's in the future. They will come to Him single. كما خلقناكم أول مرة. Just like when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala brought us out, the baby is alone. Are you ready? And are you ready not for that meeting, which is very scary? This is what I always tell myself and anybody else when they have an interview, right? And everybody gets anxiety the day before. And I say, you want to get over your anxiety? Think of the moment you're meeting Allah. Who you're going to meet tomorrow? People like you and me, right? لا يضر ولا ينفع. They cannot benefit me and they cannot harm me unless Allah allows it. True or false? قل لو اجتمعت الإنس والجن ألا يأتوا بمثل هذا القرآن لا يأتون بمثله. If the whole jinn and ins get together to bring like this Quran, they will not. And what did he say عليه الصلاة والسلام to Sayyidina Abdullah ibn Abbas? The famous hadith that most of you know the meaning. When he was a boy, a young boy behind him, right? I'm going to teach you words. The scholar said he was about maybe 11. And look at our 11-year-old. And long hadith, at the end he was telling him, وَعْلَمْ, no, if this whole nation got together to benefit you with something, they will not benefit you, but with something Allah has already decreed.